Hey guys, today we are making really cute bread dessert that is actually very popular in Japan right now. My sister actually showed it to me when we were talking on the phone, and I was like, whoa, this is so cute, I gotta do this on my channel. So thank you, sister. Today I'm making them with fluffy milk bread, mascarpone whipped cream, and some fresh fruits. Without further ado, let's get started. Orange. So first, let's make the bread. Since I'm stuffing the bread with fresh fruits and cream today, I'm adding orange zest in the bread to make it smell and taste more fruity and refreshing. Like this. So we're gonna add all the dried ingredients first, which is bread flour, granulated sugar, salt, orange zest, and dried yeast, and roughly mix. Next, add the liquid ingredients, which is milk and egg. I warmed up the milk until it's comfortably warm. And let's start kneading. Knead until they look even and more smooth. And add softened butter and knead even more, which is going to take some time. So if you use a machine, it takes less time, but if you don't have it, no problem at all. You can just knead by hands. Like today, I oftentimes like to knead by a machine first, and toward the end, knead by hands to just check the texture and make sure they are kneaded enough. It smells the orange. All right, so let's very sticky for sure. Knead until it looks even and more smooth. Here's how you can check if it's done. Try to stretch your dough by hands like this and see if it stretches until it makes a thin layer of dough. This does not do that yet. It cuts off so easily, which means gluten inside is not strong enough yet. So let's continue kneading. It depends on how fast or slow you knead, but if you do it all by hands, it'll probably takes about 20 to 30 minutes or so. Let's check again, and now it stretches until it forms a thin skin like that. It means gluten inside of flour got more powerful, got more stronger, and they'll all bonded even more to create the gluten web, which is very, very important to create silky, delicious bread. Round, close the butt. Ta-da. I oftentimes apply some oil at this point, which makes it easier for you to form a ball and also protect the dough from getting dried during the fermentation. And let's set aside and let it take a nap as the fermentation. Night night. How long you should leave depends on the room temperature. I usually just leave in a room temperature for about 1 hour until the size gets about 2.5 or 3 times bigger. While I'm waiting, I usually clean or just watch YouTube or do something I want to do. Today, I decided to wash chocolate. Right. Ta-da! And this is a finger test. Poke your dough with your finger, and if the hole remains the shape, it's fermented enough. Squish. Now punch it gently to release the gas inside. Today I divided it into 12 pieces. It should be about 48 grams each. Close the butt. Push down and make sure the gas is out and form a ball. Yes, like heaven. Now we're gonna let them rest for about 10 minutes as a bench rest. Bye bye. Oh, buddy. Ta-da. Now push down again and form a ball again. Now we're gonna let it rest again as a proofing. When I let them rest, I like to cover them with a wet cloth to keep them moist. Peek. It's growing. Now let's wait until it gets double in size, which usually takes about 1 hour in my room temperature, which is about 75 Fahrenheit. But you can fasten the process by moving into a little bit warmer place. Right before you bake them, apply egg wash all around the surface. Don't forget to preheat your oven ahead as well.
Oh, so cute!
Hey, wait for me, Dad. Mama, can I blow it?
Yeah, that's white. Smells so good.
Do you want to eat the bread?
It is. It's just made. How is it?
No.
Once they are cooled, we're gonna make a cut like this. Later, we are going to fill the cream between the gap. Now let's make the cream filling. It is so simple. Add granulated sugar, mascarpone cream, and heavy cream in the bowl and whip all together. I whipped until it gets very fluffy so that it can hold the shapes well later. Now let's finish them up. Pipe some cream and push in a whole strawberry. Pipe more cream and kind of push it in like that with a spatula and fill the gaps. Add some more cream and smooth out with a spatula. I also filled banana for some and did the same thing. And lastly, I filled orange for the last tree. Here I'm dicing pistachios for the decoration. I attached them on the ones with banana inside. And this is salted cherry blossom. I purchased on Amazon for this dessert. It's edible. It is often used for traditional Japanese desserts. The link is below if you are interested. It is very salty, so I'm pouring hot water to let it dissolve, and it gives back the delicate look. Remove the excess water and attach them on the half of the ones with strawberries inside, and the other half with some slices of strawberry. And some slices of orange on the ones with orange inside. And lastly, finish the decoration with some fancy powdered sugar, and they are done.
There's a lot. Why do you put cherry in it? This one?
It's kinda crazy. The kinds of things life throws at you.
This bread is very eye-catchy, so it'll be great for home parties, kids events, picnics, and so on. Soft bread and whipped cream. I mean, that's definitely a great treat. Lei obviously seemed to enjoy that. This was the day before her first birthday actually. She turned 4 the next day. As always, every year before her birthdays, I feel so emotional about how time has been passing so fast, and I feel like I'm missing so much by just being so busy and caught up with a lot of things. Mixed emotions. Anyway, in my next video, I'm sharing how we celebrated her birthday with a very, very special cake. So stay tuned and please check it out then. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.